want to thank this brand for sending this product for us in exchange for a review. So these are little rubber wheels and you hook them to your drill, and then it's great to get off decals or stickers off of your car. The car we have does not have any kind of stickers or decals on it at all. So I was trying to figure out how to test this, and I thought I put these reflective stickers on this glass a long time ago, and to try to keep the bird from running into it. They are very hard to get off. We've tried and tried, so I'm gonna give this one a try. Comes 3 different ones. Just put it on your drill, see how it goes.
This thing. As you can see, I'm getting them straight off to where a razor blade would get them. So very nice.
Okay, so it works really well. I was having a hard time reaching it, so my husband came and helped. But this is great if you need to get something off, not just for your car, although that would work really well. I'm so happy with this because we've been trying to get these stickers off for ages, so give this one a try.